Welcome to another edition of the Monmouth Junction Fire Department's training video series. In today's video, we will review the steps to establish a water supply by performing a reverse hose lay. For our scenario, engine 206 was the first due engine and they've been instructed by command to perform fire attack. The second due engine, which today is engine 204, has been instructed to perform a reverse lay to a hydrant where they will drop their 5-inch supply line at the attack engine and lay out to the closest hydrant. Here we can see engine 204 approaching our fire scene where engine 206 has already commenced fire attack. 204 will pull up so the rear tailboard is even with the pump panel on the driver's side of engine 206. One of our firefighters can exit 204 and help obtain the 5-inch supply line from the back of 204. Firefighters flake the hose out and then connect the end of the 5-inch supply line to an intake on the pump panel of engine 206. Once the hose line has been secured, the driver of engine 204 can be told to lay out the supply line to the next hydrant. Once the engine arrives at the hydrant, the supply line needs to be broken and connected to a discharge on the pump panel. Because of where the supply line ended, our firefighters break the supply line rather than pulling another full 100-foot length of hose off the hose bed, and they will tie in a 50-foot pony line to the supply line that was laid. Once the line is connected, the firefighter can go to the other end of the pony line and connect that to the discharge on the pump panel. Once the supply line has been secured, the firefighter then can flake out the 5-inch hose so it does not kink when the line is charged. As this is being done, a firefighter can start connecting all the valves to our fire hydrant. As standard procedure, the firefighter can use the hydrant wrench and loosen all 3 caps on the hydrant at once, and then put the hydrant wrench on top of the operating nut on the hydrant. Since we have 2 firefighters available, they can work together to speed up the hydrant connection process. The 3 caps can be removed, and the 2 2.5-inch gate valves and the hydrant assist valve can be installed. Once all 3 valves have been connected to our fire hydrant, the pump operator can then tie in the supply line from the hydrant assist valve into our engine. Here, our pump operator is using the front soft suction hose connected to the hydrant assist valve. The pump operator can also choose instead to utilize a 5-inch pony line from the hydrant assist valve into an intake on the pump panel. As the pump operator completes the connection, the firefighter can then fully turn on our fire hydrant. With the fire hydrant fully open, our firefighter can flush the hydrant by fully opening one of the 2.5-inch gate valves on the side of the hydrant to confirm that the fire hydrant is fully operational and there's no debris inside the hydrant itself. With the hydrant flushed, the firefighter can then close the 2.5-inch gate valve and signal to the pump operator that he is ready to send water to our supply engine. The firefighter can open up the hydrant assist valve, thereby charging the front suction on our engine and getting the supply line into the truck. Before the supply line is charged, our pump operator can take the supply line and flake it out behind our attack engine, so when the line is charged, it does not block any additional incoming apparatus to our fire scene.
Engine 206 from engine 204, we are ready to supply water.
Receive engine 204, go ahead and send water.
Receive engine 206, here comes your water.
Once our attack pumper has confirmed that they are ready to receive water, the supply engine can send the water supply to our scene. If we need additional water supply to our fire scene, we can attach an additional supply line from our fire hydrant into our supply engine. Our firefighter can grab a 2.5-inch to 5-inch Storz adapter and remove the 5-inch pony line from our pump panel tray. We can connect the adapter to the 2.5-inch gate valve on our hydrant and then connect the end of the pony line to that adapter. Once the connection is made at the hydrant, the firefighter at the pump panel can connect the other end of our pony line, and then when they are ready, we can charge that supply line at that gate valve. In our training video today, we reviewed the steps to establish a water supply by performing a reverse hose lay. It is important for all firefighters, not just pump operators, to have a thorough understanding of how to establish this water supply so it is established as quickly as possible and we are obtaining the maximum water supply to our fire scene. Thank you for watching.